Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today we have some exciting news from the world of cryptocurrency. UK financial regulators are taking significant steps to ensure the stability of their financial system. They're setting their sights on stablecoins, a type of cryptocurrency that could potentially disrupt the traditional financial landscape. The Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, has unveiled their plans to closely monitor this rapidly evolving sector. Their primary concern is focused on stablecoins that are pegged to the British pound. Some of the notable stablecoins on the UK's radar include USDT, USDC, TUSD, BUSD, and USDD. The increased scrutiny on these digital assets is aimed at safeguarding the financial integrity of the UK. It's a proactive move to protect investors and maintain financial stability in the face of an ever-changing digital landscape. So, if you're invested in these cryptocurrencies or simply curious about the evolving crypto landscape, stay tuned to our channel for the latest updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay informed. Thanks for watching.